Hi everyone, Chuck's back. Now one of my viewers asked how to replace this belt. It's off an Audi, it'll fit any belt sander I think. Now the first thing you have to do is you have to undo these two screws, and there's a screw up here. It's been a while since I've taken this apart, so bear with me. I believe that might have to come off as well, but I'm not sure yet. But this comes off. You take that off. That gets that off. Now, taking the rest off, I believe that I had to take this off. Believe that that's probably the way it goes. This whole thing is a plastic surround which has a dust attachment at the back. Now I've had this plugged in for a fair while here, so bear with me. I'll try and get this off. It's been a while. Okay, for that viewer, you undo that screw there. There's another screw in here that needs to be undone, and then that whole cover will come off like that. And there's where the vacuum cleaner attaches on the back. This then will just pop off. Don't forget, you've got to lift this up. So this secures it and releases it as well. So that plus the bottom cover is about all you have to do, I think. And you might have to undo the bolt. Yeah, you have to undo the bolt. So don't know. I did have it loosened off last time. And I've put it on a board, haven't I? Of course I put it on a board. So it doesn't want to come off. So where was the actuator to reverse this? Oh, it's there. Okay. So you just undo that bolt. And now you just take the whole belt off, like so. And you'll see that that's an A80, so that's the coarseness of that. And it's a KX167 belt, and it shows you which way it goes to. So you've got the arrows, and you need to put the arrows in the same direction so that the belt will work properly. So the belt arrows come back and should be coming this way, away from the unit motor, which is the motor there. So that goes on there like that. You can lock that in now and just pop that bolt back in, which goes in there like so. And once you get that bolt in, which I'm not doing too well with one hand, but okay, pop that back up there and just pop this back into here. It's got the only part that has to be locked in is actually the screws on the other side. So get that on right. You're right. You're cooking with gas. Although this does not want to play the game, does it? Oh yeah, there you go. So yeah, pop that down like that. Screw these two screws up on the side here, which I won't waste my time showing you that, but I'll do that in a second. Screw them in. Then pop this back up here. You can see where the screw on the side is and the screw on the top. And once that's screwed in here and here, as that is a safety feature, and also gets rid of all your dust when you've got a vacuum cleaner attached to it. you have completed replacing the belt. Now you get these belts from most hardware shops. Just pop on in and get one. And I believe this is pretty much universal, these ones. Now I've taken the plate off the side, I've got to put that back on later. But yeah, tighten them up. And Bob's your uncle. So if you found this handy, please give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe if you like the content. My next video will probably, hopefully, will be a little bit about batteries again, because I really need to fit the battery. It is driving me insane that I've done a lot of bathroom work, but it had to be done. So I really apologise about that. I need to go through my connectors. These are them. Yep. So that connects onto your JK-BMS. Then we just have to work out which one. Well, we know, let's have a guess, although I'm not going to guess it. That's your earth, that's your power, and that's your data line. Hopefully. Earth doubles as a earth for the data line. Let's say there is a level change inside here, but I need to do a bit of more research into it. So, yeah, we'll be back in the batteries in no time at all. Catch you on the next one.